Welcome back Tech Farm, your Techsys in the house, and today we'll be talking about comments. So what are comments? Comments are not something that your auntie says about your dress in coding, alright? Comments means it is something that you write anywhere in the code, alright? Comments is something that you write anywhere in the code for you to understand code. Basically, understand the written code. Alright, it is sometimes the code is not clear to the renderer or your other coders. Renderer to or other coders. That's when comment is used. Alright, that's when comment is used. Alright, it explains what the program does. It explains what the program does. So what does the comment do? For example, you are writing a program to print hello world. So you're going to write a comment telling what the program does. You're going to write a comment saying this program prints a statement called hello world. Alright, this is used for documentation only. Used for documentation only. Alright, it is not taken under consideration by the compiler, it is ignored by the compiler, does not get executed. Alright, it is ignored by the compiler and not executed. Alright, next, there are multiple ways in which you can write a comment. Alright, there is multiple ways in which you can write a comment. For a single line comment, you will be using slashes. Alright, this is a slash, you'll be using double slashes and you're going to be writing your comment here. For a multiple line comment, you're going to be using a slash and a star, write multiple lines, and at the end again use slash and a star. So alright, it can be used, these comments can be used anywhere in the program. Alright, let's take an example. This is hash include stdio.h, and there is your int main function, and you're gonna write some statements here. Alright, return 0, close the bracket. Alright, so a comment can be over here on top of the program, bottom of the program, somewhere in the middle, or sometimes even here. Anywhere inside a program, a comment can be there. So next up, we are going to be I'll be taking an online compiler and be showing you how this works. Alright, this is a simple code execution that I had done. Guys, don't worry, I'm not executing it somewhere. It's just a normal online C compiler that I'm doing all of this in. And for you guys to test it out, you guys can also go ahead and just type online C compiler in Google. You'll find many. Just try it out over there. So with the coding, see here, now we have written multiple comments. The first one is a single line comment. As I had told, if you guys remember, this is a single line comment. It's not getting executed in the output. Can you see anywhere in the output that it has written online C compiler to run C program online? No. So these comments do not get inside the output, because when the compiler is compiling, it ignores these comments. And it does not include them in the object file. If you want to understand what object file is, I guess you have seen the other videos. If you haven't, you can go check them out. They're the previous videos. So the compiler does not include them in the object file. So there is a single line comment here, there is a single line comment here, and then I've randomly written like a random words for you guys to understand a multi-line comment. See, all of these are just basic one single line. This is 3 lines. This 3 lines is a multi-line comment. So this is what comments basically are. It is to understand what the code is about. Alright, here you are telling write a C code here, and we are writing a code here. In this is the C code. Alright, so this is what comments are to help you understand the program. I hope you had a great time understanding what comments are, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.